Welcome back, guys. What I would like to do today is show you how to make a quick YouTube thumbnail on Canva.com. It's a free program. They have a paid program, but you can do everything you need basically in the free version. So you got to create an account, go to create design, and usually this will pop up, YouTube thumbnail, or you can do it from the beginning. You don't have to use any of these presets right here. You can just type in custom dimensions and put 1280 by 720 and then add whatever you want in there. I'm just going to do this for this video to show you how quick it is. I'm just going to use their stuff they have here. So if I was to pick this free one, these grapes, I say my YouTube channel is about grapes or fat-free food, I would simply type in my word, my title, my description, whatever I want to call it. Say I wanted it here. I wanted it maybe at an angle. And I wanted some other text down here. Say I wanted more text here. Put that here. And says I'm hungry. Say I put it down here. Then you would go to your size if you want to change the size. Okay, 56, change the color, change to black, change this one, color to no, yellow. Okay, so you wanted to go to yellow. So you just change it like that. Change your font right here. Let's see, go in here. Okay, so I did that. Just put a shadow behind it. Direction. So put a shadow back there behind this one. Make it come out. No, I don't want to blur it. I want it tight looking. Okay, so there you go with that. Direction I'm going. Maybe that way. Well, that way for now. You can see a little bit better. There you go. Quick, simple, easy YouTube thumbnail. They have other things you can add in here. You can upload your own photos, you know, for your picture, your own designs, whatever you got. See if there's anything else in here. But all the really good stuff is the paid version. This is just all basic stuff. But you can still make a good looking thumbnail just with what they have. So, like I said, you don't have to pay for it. Change its color. And once you're done with this, you can take it and modify it in other programs. Say you can go to PicMonkey and add more effects, stuff that they don't offer here. Bold. Okay. Let's pick that one, see what it looks like. That one. Blurry. That's not bad. I like that sort of. Okay, well, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like, subscribe buttons. I appreciate everything. And I will see you soon in the next one. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.